Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing two recipes with you. The first one is banana fritters, and we're going to need 3 ingredients to make this yummy recipe. 3 ripe plantains, 3 tablespoons of semolina, and 5 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Let's start. I'm going to peel the plantain, and after that I will mash it up. To make it easier, if you're using a smaller bowl, just cut it in like 3 or 4 pieces, so it will be very easier for you to mash it up. We call this kanklo in Togo. So if you have ripe plantains or banana, you don't throw it. Easy, quick, and very delicious recipe to make with your ripe plantain. You can see my bowl is a little bit smaller, so I just have to push the plantains in. So use a bigger bowl just to make it easier for yourself. I'm going in now with the semolina, followed by the self-raising flour. And if you have similar recipe in your country, I would love to know the name, so kindly drop the name in the comment section and keep watching. I'm going to mash it up properly and make sure everything is well combined. If you want to blend it, go ahead and do that as well. Some people normally add a little bit of ginger to it, but I don't like ginger in this. I just love it very simple. But again, you have fun. It's your kitchen, your rules. Always remember, I'm just here to guide you. Mash this up properly, and when you start seeing the paste like this, you know that it's fine. I like a little bit of chunkiness in it, so this is good at this point. Now I'm very happy with how it is, exactly how it's supposed to be. And big shout out to all my returning subscribers. I truly appreciate you, and keep dropping your comments. Kindly share my videos with family and friends. That would definitely help me grow this channel. And kindly give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. Now it's time to heat up the oil 3 to 4 minutes, and after that I'm going in right now with the mashed up plantains. I'm sure you agree with me, this is another quick, very easy, and a recipe on a budget. Only 3 ingredients you need, and you're going to love this. Your guests will love it, and you can also make it for your family. Very quick, easy, and delicious recipes. So if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on my new recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure the notification bell is on so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Lay fried on the first side for 5 minutes roughly, and after that, once you notice you have the golden color, make sure you flip it and let the other side cook as well for 5 minutes roughly, and it will be ready. As you can see, it's looking so yummy already, and I'm going to let it rest on the plate and go in with the second batches. from this side is already ready. So I'm gonna do the same thing, flip it and let the other side also fry it for similar time, and all of them will be done. And you can see it's so golden and looking yummy. The plantain fritters is ready. Very easy recipe to make. Guys, don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you prefer plantain or banana fritters. Our second recipe is banana fritters. Very easy, quick to make. We're going to use 6 bananas. Now I'm going to peel the bananas, and after that I will be adding flour. You can also add a little bit of corn flour or semolina if you wish to, but today I'm only going to use 6 tablespoons of self-raising flour. And with my wooden spoon I'm going to mash this properly, but not too fine. So if you want to blend it, make sure it's not too smooth. Okay, so those are the 2 ingredients I'm going to use for my banana fritters, the Togolese way, of course. So no sugar needed because the banana, of course, is sweet enough. Okay, so I'm very happy with the consistency now. What I would do, I would just set it aside and heat up the oil. After 2-3 minutes, my oil is at the right temperature and I'm going to start frying it. What you need to remember, make sure you are doing this on medium-low heat because you don't want the banana fritter to be burned quickly, because you want it to be also well cooked on the inside. This is just a very quick recipe that you can make to entertain your guests or for yourself, and it's very cheap. What you need to do is just to buy, some bananas and then add a little bit of flour and you are good to go. I really love this for snack, and in Togo we normally have this with like hot pepper or tomato sauce with it. It's so delicious. After frying this for 6 minutes, you can see it's so ready. Don't forget to flip the other side so it can also fry properly. Very easy to make. Ready and perfectly how I love them. And now it's time to serve it. If you love banana fritters, let me know in the comment section. But if it's your first time seeing this recipe, do me a big favor, try it and also let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you as well. It's always a good idea to try new recipes, especially if they are so simple like this one. So give it a try. Now it's time for me to try. And guys, you can see how yummy this looks, and it tasted so good. You need to try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.